Hey guys, it's Gloria. Welcome to Tinker Wonderland and check out our weather for today. OMG guys. Again, this is Gloria and you are watching Tinker Wonderland. We're having a snowstorm today guys. Look at the weather. Look at the sky right there. Oh my god, it's getting thicker. It started since this afternoon. Oh my god, everything is white. Check this out. Nice place. There you go guys. We're on our way home. Just got off work. I'm done for the day. Yay! It's been snowing this morning. Oh my god. It's like we're sliding.
You got to start the Jeep in four-wheel drive.
It's gonna be a bad weather.
4 to 8 inches.
4 to 8 inches. Oh my goodness. There's our Dollar Tree. Oh god. Slow down, honey.
I'm driving fine.
Well, it's been snowing here on and off, but right now we're having snowstorm.
Yep.
That is the place where we get the groceries. River is full of ice now. Almost dropped my phone. Oh my god, it's so nice. It looks nice, but for the meantime, not every day.
Especially if it lasts for 3 months.
Oh yeah. 3 months of snow is not fun anymore. The first day is fun.
Depends on whose perspective you're talking about.
First day is fun, but the 3 months is not.
Again, depends on the
It's
perspective.
gonna be so cold. People in the Philippines, here's our snow. Honey, don't speed up. He's scaring me, guys. I'm gonna kick his butt. He's speeding up in the snow. Oh, poor snowman. We're getting closer to our house. For sure my kitties are cuddling again.
No, one was on the perch and one was on the couch.
Oh. And sleeping.
Yeah.
So here we are. We're home. We are home, guys. We made it. It's just 10 minutes travel. And look at that. I'm having fun on the first day. As just like I said. Well, this is not the first day, right?
What? No,
Of
it's
snow.
not the first day.
But I don't know why I'm having fun now. I'm gonna stay here for a while.
I'll throw you in the snow.
Oh my god. It feels good. Honey. Check out the sky, guys. Oh my goodness. It feels good. And it's cold. Look at my foot. I'm sinking now. Eee. Look at our path walk, guys. Look at my foot. Oh my god, my shoes! Right now, we're at 3. Is this like a 3 inches?
4.
Oh, 4 inches. Well, it's gonna be 5 inches on my foot.
It's supposed to be 4 to 8.
Earth's heavy. And yes. Is it snowing in your place now too, guys? It's cold. I love it. Alright, I gotta have to go in. My kid is waiting for me. So that is our weather for today. It's a snowstorm. We'll see later or tomorrow morning. I will update you guys what our place looks like. So thank you all for watching. Have a good day and a good night. You're watching Tinker Wonderland, and this is Gloria. See you on the next vlog. God bless everyone. Bye bye.